So hi sir, I'm Cedric Castillo from PMFTC. So welcome to our booth. So on this booth po, we just want to clear the haze or misconception about smoke-free alternative. So the burning truth is, here sir, burning is the real issue. When we burn one cigarette, it produces 6,000 harmful chemical na pumapasok sa katawan natin, which is the main cause of smoking-related diseases. When burning is removed, the levels of harmful chemicals produced can be far lower po. So here's sa makikita natin yung difference between cigarette and smoke-free alternative. When it comes to smoking cigarette, it burns tobacco, it has smoke, high level and number of harmful potential chemical po. While sa smoke-free alternative on the other hand, it doesn't burn anything, it only vaporize it, and yun po, yung vapor niya, siya yung ipapuff natin, so it has no smoke, no ash, and less tobacco smell. So significantly reduce the level and number of harmful potential chemicals po.
Okay.
So here sir, the burning truth is nicotine is a key reason why people smoke cigarette po and not smoke itself. Pag may nagsusmoke tayo, may kilala tayong traditional smoker po, ang hinahanap talaga nila doon is si nicotine. Yun yung nagbibigay sa atin ng buzz, yung not si smoke. Pero sa mga nagsistay sir, we could say na sa mga nagsistay ng mga cigarette, you can say bakit sila nagsistay doon, it's because of taste and ritual. Sige tayo sir. Iba kasi gusto old school, parang gano'n. So here sir, nicotine is naturally occurring in tobacco. It is also found in vegetables such as potatoes, eggplants, and tomatoes po. Thus, nicotine is not the most harmful element in smoking, sir. Still, addictive and not risk-free po. Si smoke pa rin talaga produced by burning tobacco is still the main cause of smoking-related diseases. So here, sir, pag may kilala tayong smoker or tayong non-smoker, we could suggest them smoke-free products like heated tobacco, nicotine pouches, e-cigarette, and S-nuts. Ang S-nuts po is Swedish nicotine pouch na naman siya.
Okay.
So, nade-deliver pa rin nito yung nicotine without the harmful smoke. So, the burning truth is, the best choice for adult smokers still is to quit cigarettes and nicotine completely pa rin po. Pero sa mga tao kaya mag-stop, we could suggest this to them. Heated tobacco, nicotine pouches, e-cigarette, and this. In this booth po, we don't sell anything. And this is just campaign and awareness for the pollutant-free and smoke-free environment in the future. So, yun lang po. So, here's na magkakaroon tayo ng ending. So, you will just drop the ball and kailangan magpunta siya sa U1.
Saan?
Manalo tayo ng freebies.
U1. Pero how many yung U1? Tatlo.
Tatlo po. Yes, then tatlo rin yung better luck next time. So,